Interventional and Endovascular Table Troubleshooting. A quick reset guide. Before performing this reset, make sure it's necessary. First, check the controller battery and replace it if it's depleted. Then confirm your hand control is properly paired to the table. If both are confirmed, proceed with the reset. Please note, this demonstration uses an ISR table. The same process applies to the 104T. If your table gives a short beep and does not move in response to your button presses, it may be an actuator error. To clear this error, press and hold trend up and down continuously. You will hear a fast beeping tone from the table. Continue to hold until the beeping tone changes. Once the beeping tone changes, lift only your left thumb and continue to hold the trend down button. The table should begin trending downward automatically. Continue holding until it is at its lowest trend. Move up one row to press and continuously hold the elevation down button until it reaches its lowest height. Note, if you have the 104T, the actuator reset process is complete at this time. Your 104T will continue to beep. Let it cease beeping and skip to the testing section of this video. For the ISR, press and continuously hold the ISO roll counterclockwise button until it is rolled all the way to the right. Allow any remaining beeping to finish. The actuator reset process is complete. To ensure the table is fully functioning with all its movements, adjust it so it's flat. Once the table is in the neutral position, test all movements for full functionality. We also suggest panning the table in a figure 8 motion to ensure proper panning functions. Test the table movements with it as well. If you do not get a response, repeat the process. For further assistance, please call IDI at 978-829-0009.